Exoplanets, what do we know about them? Exoplanets are planets that are not of our solar system and orbits a different star in our galaxy with many space telescopes, providing us a chance to have insight of what may lie out there in the vastness of space. The current state of our knowledge about exoplanets is constantly growing and evolving with what we know of exoplanets. We have so far discovered over 5,000 exoplanets and is steadily increasing as of now. Studying exoplanets has its advantages that we can gain valuable information how planets are formed and evolve along. With how planetary systems such as ours are structured, we can learn about formation and evolution of stars. Like how stars and planets interact with their environments. Furthermore, we get to understand what it would take to lead to the formation of life, which is one of the most crucial questions in astronomy. There are 4 types of exoplanets. The first one that we will be talking about is the Jovian planets, also known as gas giants or hot Jupiters. They are usually much easier to find because they would often be found orbiting close to their host stars, and would have a noticeable strong gravitational tug that would make them speed up in orbit. There's a wide variety of exoplanets with different masses, sizes, and positions in which how they orbit their stars. The second one is called Neptune-like exoplanets. Neptune-like exoplanets and hot Jupiters are both Jovian planets, but 2 things that matter for the gas giants, to determine which it is the size and orbit from the host star. Gaseous exoplanets would form far from its host star, but as it journeys closer it becomes a hot Jupiter. The last 2 are terrestrial, but again it's the size that matters when determining that classification. Terrestrial classification exos are usually half the size of our Earth or even twice the radius are deemed terrestrial exoplanets. On the other hand, if they are twice the size or larger, then they would be called super-Earths. To keep this basic, the most current methods in ways that allows us to spot and discover new exos can be found by using a method called radial velocity. Radial velocity detects a shift of the Sun's orbit position when a planet passes by letting astronomers know that there's a planet in that area of space that might also inhabit more exos nearby. Next is the transit method. This method is simple yet effective for finding planets by looking at the dips of the sunlight as a planet passes in front of it, while also providing valuable information of it like the orbit size and shape. Transit spectroscopy. This method is quite impressive. It reads the light that the planet's atmosphere gave off, letting astronomers to see the properties of it, reading it like a barcode to see what's on it. Neat. Gravitational microlensing is the planet's gravity's ability to bend and warp the sun's light, making it brighter as it passes in front of it like a lens. Instinctively, people will ask if it's possible to do so, and the answer is yes. But relax, let me fully explain before jumping into conclusions. So stop. Direct imaging is what it sounds like. They take a direct image of the planet but wouldn't be very detailed and would look like this, and often would be young, bigger planets. Coronagraphs help block off the sun's light to give the planets a better chance to show, equipped with special deformable mirrors letting it to adjust better. PSRB 1257+12 was the first ever exo to ever be discovered in 1992 in the Virgo constellation. Not the constant blame your astrology for your actions. Orbiting a dead neutron star by Alexander Woolson and Dale Frail. Located in the constellation Centaurus, the closest exo near us is the Proxima Centauri b at a whooping distance of 4.2 light-years away from us, in a habitable zone. But is suggested that it might be tidally locked to its star, much like how our moon is with our planet. So one side may be the real version of the Inferno, while the other side is like the North Pole on juice. What exoplanets would you fellow space enthusiasts like to hear about, and what other subjects are you most interested in? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and leave a like and subscribe for weekly uploads.